This 2024 Ford Edge is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ford is powered by G all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 2.0 L102 engine, and has 63,429 miles. Discover the perfect blend of style and performance with a used 2024 Ford Edge. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.